My Winjas. Yo, clan. Yo, girl here. Maybe on vacation. But I just did an epic hotel room workout and I want to share it with you in this video. So mind you, this hotel room is pretty pimp. I've never stayed anywhere this nice, but you're gonna find the same thing in any hotel. A bed, a bench, possibly a chair or an ottoman, and the floor. So here we go, check it out. Cute ghetto intro. Oh yeah. This ain't your average YouTuber. We're actually working out here and this is real sweat and real swass. So take it or leave it. First, let's show you what I'm working with. So I've got this dope bench. This hotel even comes with yoga mats. I think that thing's brand new. I've got a bed. I have little steps. I have this thing. It's super secure, like a big rock that I can use. I have flooring. Bed again, lots of walls, more flooring, and I have more benches, ledges, and benches. So all you gotta do is get a little creative, enjoy the view, and hit it. Anytime you have little steps, you can do all types of jump training. I was using them as agility training, so bam, bam, bam. Get creative, do both sides. When you are able to take what you've got in your environment and use it, that's how you become legs, cardio, athleticism, training like an athlete, directional changes. Why don't you do some lateral hops? Hop, 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 hop. So I did about a minute intervals. Woo! I did about 1 minute intervals there before I went and did something else. Most hotels will have a bench, a chair, or an ottoman. So I'm gonna show you a few of the things I was doing on here. Let's protect the furniture first of all, because your girl is going off. All right, I love having an elevated ledge because you can really get creative and test your push-up strength even more than doing them on the ground. So you can do elevated push-ups. Now this is advanced, but when you have your feet elevated, push-ups are taken up to a whole other level. Because I have this nice bench, I can make it into a movement, lateral movement as well. Oh, doesn't take much. Start feeling the burn. What else can you do on the bench? You can do a push-up and then add a rotation. Push-up, add a rotation. Check this out. You can walk your hands out a little bit. You can do jump down into beast and then jump up. You just took your bench and you just leveled it up and got an awesome workout. I love bench training. So now you can jump on here. You do all types of things. Like look. Do both sides. Get down. Do some push. Do some elevated mountain climbers. Oh. I feel that tropical sweat drip down. You want to take a break from jumping? Come on over here to a bench, any chair, anything you can put your feet up on and do rear foot elevated split squats. So love this exercise, especially if you don't have weights, because it is so much harder than doing it with 2 legs, because now you got to engage your core to maintain your balance. This back leg, this back booty is like, damn, yeah girl. This front quad here is like, what the heck? So do both sides. Do your weaker leg first, because that's the rep range that you want to repeat on the stronger side, and that's how you balance out imbalances, and that's why I love unilateral leg strength. So check it out. I've got this wicked balcony and a bench, so I was doing these fun dynamic drills. Squat jump, and box jump. Backwards jog back, reset. Superman, reset. Jump, squat, jump, squat, hop, and jump. Doesn't take much. Damn. Yeah, check out this view. If you've got a ledge, you've got a gym. So you can do step ups, alternating legs, hit that, landing, squeeze those abs together. Don't fall off the roof. And check it out, I can even add a lunge when I come back from my step up. I can do a lunge. Step up, I can do a lunge. There's so many things to do. Ladies, men, if you're not strong with your push-ups yet, boom, you've got a ledge, you've got a chair, you have anything where you can elevate your hands, and you could do hands elevated push-ups, thereby working on your upper body strength, getting stronger, being able to learn how to engage those abs, engage those shoulder blade muscles. Remember that I taught in that push-up video? And by doing it with your hands elevated, you can hit that range of motion, you can get strong, and you can add rotation. Whenever you can, add a rotation. Now, if you've got a strong push-up, you can use an elevated surface to add a little plyometric. So, I was doing a little bit of this. See how I've got a strong plank? I didn't move my butt. I didn't stick my butt up. I didn't lose my back. Everything is one solid. That's why they call it a plank, right? So push, push, push. So it's a lot easier to do to do plyometric kind of jumpy push-ups like that with my hands elevated than on the ground. And then eventually I'll be on the ground. Always test your equipment before you jump on it, push on it, pull on it, okay? This thing is literally a solid rock. I don't know how they did this, but they built 2 damn outlets inside. It's the little things that impress me. Okay, check it out. You got a ledge? Give me 30 seconds of that and tell me you're not gonna be like, damn, my balls are sweaty. You can jump on it. If you can't jump, if you can't do plyometrics, yo, just step on it. But stay low for me. Give yourself some low sumo steppers. Your quads are gonna be burning. I always do this motion. But yeah, I love taking steps, taking stairs, traveling with it, pumping those arms, getting my heart rate up. All right, let's move over to the bed. That's what she said. Beds are a great place to burn calories, if you know what I mean. But they're also a great place to practice instability. So just as you would on a BOSU, where you have to engage your core even more, I like to do pistol squats on a bed because it's all crazy wobbly. And man, whoa. 1 or 2 of those, you're good. And because it's soft, you can use the bed to do more high impact upper body stuff. So, plank up and down, plank press. Woo! And of course, you can stretch on a bed. Man, it's just getting really R-rated right now. But I'll show you some ab exercises on the bed. Anything you can do on the ground for ab work, you can do on a bed. So, my goal by the end of this video is to get into one color. I don't know why I just didn't do that in the beginning, but yo, we be keeping it real. So, abs, you do leg raises on a bed. It's nice if you have lower back pain, and it gives you that feedback of when you do flat back, hollow body stuff. You feel the bed, feel the duvet pressing into your lower back. In a row. bicycle. Yes. Woo! Feeling that burn. So guys, this is just a few ideas. I just wanted to show you how creative you can get and how just because you're traveling or you're stuck in a hotel does not mean that you don't need to work out or you don't get to work out. I love finding ways to get my movement in because I know I'm gonna feel better after. And when movement and fitness becomes a part of your life, it's just a habit. So it doesn't matter where I am, I'm gonna do it. So thank you so much for watching. Drop me a comment, let me know, do you work out when you're in a hotel? Do you work out when you travel? And please subscribe as I travel the world, work out in weird places, and help you become full winja, and make all types of bad sound effects. This is your girl Maya. Check me out on Instagram, Facebook. Join the Facebook Winja clan crew. Everything is under Move with Maya. And I'll catch you next time. I'll go take a shower now.